Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So friends, today we are going to talk about Surf Excel Easy Wash Detergent Powder. So this is the washing powder that is very famous nowadays. Like you might get to see its big posters anywhere around the roadside areas, or you might always get to see this in the television ads and all. So guys, this is how the packaging looks like. It looks very attractive with colorful pictures around going on here and there, as you can see here. And then there is a logo given, Surf Excel Easy Wash. So the price of this powder is 64 rupees MRP, but you might get this in small discounts somehow if you buy from supermarkets or buy it online. So guys, now let's get to know more about Surf Excel brand. So this Surf Excel powder is a made in India product manufactured by Hindustan Unilever Private Limited. So that's it all about Surf Excel. Now let's see what are the claims of this detergent powder and what are its benefits. So if you check out at the back side, it says Modern Surf Excel Easy Wash removes many turf stains easily. And then inside this product, it has got ingredients present like zinc oxide, ethyl hexyl methoxy, cinnamate, lemongrass, and cucumber extracts. So these are the ingredients used that are very effective for removing very tough stains without leaving any residues on your clothes. So now let's open the package and see how it looks inside. So this is it. It has a very super fine fluffy powder. The color is bluish and the powder is very soft. Also guys, whenever you open a detergent powder from the package, you must transfer it into the airtight container so that it won't lose its moisture and efficiency. So now let's do a small demo on how to use it without washing machine. So first of all, take a required amount of water in a bucket and then try to dissolve the solution properly. And then if you dissolve it, you will get to see that it dissolves very easily. After that, you can dip your dirty clothes in the solution and then let it soak for about 10 to 15 minutes. So after 10 to 15 minutes, wash your clothes by pressing with hands as normal as you do every day. And then you will get to see that it easily removes the stains from the clothes, because this detergent powder reaches the stains and removes it very easily. So friends, that's it all about my review of Surf Excel detergent powder. Hope you found this video informative. Then please give this video a like. Also share with your family and friends, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new here. So thank you so much for watching. Till then, take care. Bye. See you in my next video.